Good morning students. We have completed chapter 9 in previous class and today I am going to start the chapter 12, that is exponents and powers. It is very similar to chapter 9 and you have the 75% knowledge of this also related to powers. So in exercise 12.1 beta, question number 1, very short answer that I am going to solve. Evaluate the following exponents. Powers also known as exponents. 10 raised to the power minus 2. Solve this. I mean simplify it. If negative power is there, to write in the denominator as positive. Minus 2 power is 1 by 10 raised to the power 2. We know it. This is the, take the reciprocal. When negative power is given, to write in the denominator as positive. So this is what? 1 by 100. So this is the answer. First part, I mean A part is this. Now B part. B part is 6 raised to the power minus 3. Use the same thing, 6 raised to the power 3. Write in the denominator as positive power. So what is it? 6 raised to the power 3 is 256. 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6, 216. Because 6 into 6 is 36 into 6, 6 is 36. 18 or 1, 21. So it is 216. Next, 10 raised to the power 8, C part. If you multiply 10 8 times, ये तो पॉजिटिव है ना, एज इट इज 10 इंटू 10 इंटू 10 इंटू 10 8 टाइम्स 4 6 एंड देन 8 2 मोर. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what is the answer? Write 1. Just like 10 into 10 is what? 100. Because 10 2 times, 10 raised to the power 2 क्या होता है? 100. तो जितनी भी पावर होती है, use that 0. 8 zeros are there. This is the answer. Just like 10 raised to the power 2 is what? 100. तो जितनी भी पावर होती है बेटे 1 के साथ उतनी zeros लगा दो. 10 raised to the power 8, 1 followed by 8 zeros. D part in the same way, 4 raised to the power 4. तो multiply 4 times. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64, 64 for the 4 for the 16, 256. ये होता है. ठीक है. 16 into 16, 64 into 4, 256. So in this way you can write it, the first question. Now next question beta, find the multiplicative inverse. In multiplicative inverse only change the sign of power. Just like what is the multiplicative inverse of 5? 1 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse? In chapter 1 you did it. What is the multiplication inverse of 3 by 5? Write in the reverse order, 5 by 3. So in the same way, question number 1, 2A part. What is the multiplicative inverse of 126 raised to the power minus 21? ये है क्या? It is 1 by 26 raised to the power 21. It is this. And write the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 126 raised to the power 21 is equal to 126 raised to the power. बस इसको पलट के लिख दो to get the reverse. ये नेगेटिव पावर है ना, तो राइट इट इन द सेंस ऑफ पॉजिटिव पावर डायरेक्टली. तो therefore you can write directly also multiplicative inverse of 126 raised to the power 1 is 21 is equal to 126 21. पावर का साइन भी आप चेंज कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ गिवन नंबर। नेक्स्ट है राइट द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 11 रेज टू द पावर 13। मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 11 रेज टू द पावर 13 इज व्हाट? 11 रेज टू द पावर -13। बस इतना लिख दो आप। बी पार्ट। सी पार्ट है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 5 रेज टू द पावर -8 इज व्हाट? चेंज द साइन ऑफ power, 5 raised to the power 8. In the same way, D part is also like this. Multiplicative inverse of 3 raised to the power -19 is equal to 3 raised to the power 19. So you can write all the, only change the sign of the power, you can write the multiplicative inverse. Now next question bete, what is in the next? कि write the following numbers in expanded form. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ए पार्ट। एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या होती है? आई एम टेलिंग यू 3490.433 लाइक दिस। तो बेटे व्हाट इज इस 3000? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म इज लाइक दिस। एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म इज 3000, तो 3 into 1000 प्लस 400, 4 into 100 प्लस 90, 9 at 10's place, तो 9 into 10 and 0 at 1's place, 0 into 1 like this, and then 0.4। ये बेटे ये जो होते हैं ना आफ्टर डेसिमल, दैट इज दिस इज 10th place, 100th place एंड इट इज़ 1000th place। ये आपको थर्ड या फोर्थ क्लास में, इन थर्ड क्लास आई थिंक इट वाज देयर। तो हाउ शुड यू राइट इट? देखो आई एम राइटिंग दैट ऑल्सो। 1000 मीन्स 10 raised to the power 3, 100 मीन्स 10 raised to the power 2, जितनी जीरो होती है उतनी पावर लगा दो। 10 मीन्स 10 raised to the power 1, और 1 मीन्स आई टोल्ड यू in previous chapter also, 1 means 10 raised to the power 0. Now after decimal, for first digit can be written as 10 raised to the power ये -1 because it is 10th place, 10 raised to the power -1 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power -2, ये सेकेंड पोजिशन पे ना आफ्टर डेसिमल, प्लस 3, नेक्स्ट 3 ऑल्सो 10 raised to the power -3. This is the expanded form. Expanded form of what? Where should I write here? Expanded form of this is this. ठीक है। इन द सेम वे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बी पार्ट देखिए आप, थर्ड बी पार्ट। राइट द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ 123.509। तो राइट इट डायरेक्टली 123, तो 1 into 10 raised to the power 2, 100 प्लेस पे है ना, तो 1 into 100 प्लस 2 into 10 raised to the power 1 because 20 it is at 100 प्लेस, तो 10 raised to the power 1 into प्लस 3 123, तो 3 1's प्लेस पे है, तो 10 raised to the power 0, 0.5 प्लस 5 into 10 raised to the power -1 फर्स्ट डिजिट आफ्टर डेसिमल, 0 into 10 raised to the power -2 and plus 9 into 10 raised to the power -3. This is the expanded form of B part. Now expanded form of D part also I am writing here. D part में क्या करेंगे 98.325 क्या लिखेंगे बताओ 90 9 एट टेंस प्लेस तो 9 इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर 1 9 इंटू 10 90 प्लस 8 इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर 0 प्लस 0.3 3 इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर -1 0.2 2 इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर -2 और प्लस 5 इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर -3. This is the way of writing in standard form.